Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to unlock GLoan with Low GScore. So let's start. Here we can check in Gcash.com, and here we can check how to can do it. And GLoan is pre-qualified loan offer to select users only. To unlock GLoan, keep using Gcash services such as pay bills, load, cash in, send money, add G-Insure, and giving best. So Gcash will evaluate your eligibility weekly, so you may qualify for the loan soon. When you do it, you can start using it. As you can see, well, you have to invest, insert money on your account, and that will give you the opportunity to be eligibility for the loan. So guys, well, I hope this information helps you. Remember to your loan requirements: a fully verified cash user, Filipino citizen size, valid government ID, at least 21 years old, provide cash email address. So when you do it, you can start using without any problem when you are eligibility. So well, I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.